Hi everybody, my name is Caitlin Callahan. I'm an educational studies major here at the University of La Verne. I have a concentration in English. That's going to allow me to teach in middle school and high school. A couple things to know about what I plan to do in the future is that I do plan to teach at the elementary school level. I want to teach um, possibly preschool or kindergarten to first grade. When I first came here, I really did want to teach the upper division, so I would say maybe middle school and high school. But as I kind of progressed through the education program, I realized that I did want to teach the younger children. Um, Let me see, a couple more things. I have an interesting experience with math. You'll read a little bit more about it in my blog post. But in terms of math, I've typically had negative experiences with that. I can contribute that to my own outlook on that kind of based on the way my teachers taught me and just my overall experience with math in general. I've always struggled with it, and whenever I would ask for help, I would always kind of be told that I was dumb and, didn't understand. So that kind of influenced another reason as to why I want to be a teacher. I don't want my future students to feel like dumb or that um, that it's bad for them not to understand something. I want them to be comfortable in asking questions and looking for answers elsewhere when they can't usually get it from a teacher. They can go to a tutor or ask their parents, just that kind of thing. Um, I'm involved in a sorority on campus. I am chapter president of Alpha Omicron Pi. We currently have recruitment coming up. Go Greek. um, but yeah, I think that's it. I really just want to be a teacher overall, and I'm looking forward to this semester with you all. So, yeah, I look forward to looking at your guys' videos and getting to know you all more. Thank you.